welcome to my channel. We are doing a taste test today of stuff that we got from Five Below. So let's get started. What do you want to try first? I just wanted to say I was also filming a TikTok of this as well, so if we're looking at the camera and the phone, that's why. Sorry. The strawberry Pocky is up first. And of course you would pick the one that you like the most. Smells good. Smells like a milkshake. Ready? It was pretty good. I like it. Alright, let's do the matcha one next. I don't know if you're gonna like this one. I don't think he's a big fan of matcha, which I am, but in Pocky form. Alright, ready? Ready?
Ready.
Oh, it does smell like matcha. Cheers. It's not that bad.
It's not like a strong flavor.
Yeah. Like, I taste the matcha. You like it? Pretty good. You asked me. The banana one next. Now we're doing banana Pocky.
That's a strong banana smell.
Oh, yeah. Very banana-y. Cheers. It's good, though. I like this one. 10 out of 10. Yeah. You like that one?
Oh, this one had...
2-pack, because it's crunchy.
Yeah.
We'll just open one. Bless you. Almond Crush is next. Wait! Hey! It's nice and crunchy. Cheers. I don't dislike it, but it's not my favorite. Like, I probably wouldn't get this one again. It's just like
Strange.
thick.
Yeah.
Tastes kind of like coffee, but it's just like really thick. Like, I don't think I like that. Rice Krispie chocolate bar up next.
And that
Oh my
is a
god, wait,
marshmallow.
isn't Pocky actually chocolate? I gave her a bite. She should be fine. It was just a strawberry one. Yeah, it's chocolate.
Marshmallow.
Yeah, it's chocolate. It's white chocolate. That's what it looks like. It smells good, but it smells like an artificial wax. Cheers. The flavor's not bad, but this is also really thick and like really sweet. I don't like thick stuff
Chocolate.
in my mouth. What?
It just tastes so much like white chocolate. It's just like regular white chocolate.
Yeah. And you
Come
don't
here.
even taste Rice Krispies, it just tastes
Come
like
here. Come here.
crunchy white
Come
chocolate.
over here.
That one's okay. Not my favorite. This is our last snack. I don't even like cotton candy like that. It's crazy.
Jeez.
Oh, it smells sweet. Where the frick are the marshmallows? Alright, cheers. It stuck to my teeth.
Oh my god.
I don't like it.
Those are crazy. Sweet flavor.
It's like berry flavored. I don't like berry. So you like it?
So yeah.
I'm trying to look for a marshmallow. I don't feel these. Oh wait, I feel one. Is this a Rice Krispie? I mean,
Those are your regular marshmallow. That's strange.
that's not my favorite. I don't like that. All right, well that was our taste test. Very boring, but this is not good. What was your favorite thing out of the whole thing?
Probably the strawberry.
Strawberry Pocky?
Yeah, the thing that I know I like.
I think my favorite is Banana Pocky. Thanks for watching.